How to delete Google search history permanently on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google search history permanently on PC. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the browser. Next, click on Manage your Google account. Here, use the search bar to type in My Activity and press Enter. Then, click on the My Activity link to open it. Now, scroll down to see your search history. Next, click on the Delete button. Here, you can select the time range for the history you want to delete, such as last hour, last day, or all time. Then, click on Delete to confirm and permanently delete your Google search history. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Google search history permanently on your PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.